Boys and girls, brace yourself. It's the IDFC First Bank Ranji Trophy 24-25 Group D game between Delhi and Railways, and we are coming to you live from this iconic Arun Jaitley Stadium. Batted the day out yesterday, and alongside him, Yash Dhol. 17.
दिल्ली की पारी को स्कोर से पहले समाप्त करे। शुरू में अपील जरूर हुई है, पर यहां क्रिश्चियन को आउट किया था। बॉल कैरी नहीं हुआ और उस गैप में भी गया। 4 रन मिलते हुए यहां पे यशदुल को। यही 50 पे 4 विकेट आउट थे। इस बार पूरी तरीके से इस शॉट में अपनी ताकत झोंकते हुए।
Beautifully struck there. Stand there and admire that shot, young man. That's a beauty.
लाजवाब स्ट्रोक। पिछले ओवर में भी वो 2 चौके आए थे और इस ओवर में भी। इस ओवर में जिस तरीके से बॉल को टाइम किया, गैप ढूंढा, जोर से मारने की कोशिश नहीं की।
Tucked away on the onside, a couple of runs at least for the left-handed Sanath. They're running hard, looking to convert it into a 3, and looks like the ball has won the race out there. Good effort, but this is a fast outfield at the Arun Jaitley Stadium. Confirmation coming from Nand Kishore.
दूने बल्लेबाजों द्वारा
Goes off the edge, and that'll go to the boundary as well. Not really convincing enough, but what the left
वहां पर जनरेट किया सनत ने, बट ये भी अच्छा लाइन, अच्छा ले।
Second best, even though he's done really well. The left-hander thrusting out to a delivery way outside the off stump, and it goes off the edge to the boundary. Kunal is disappointed.
उठाना होगा दिल्ली के बल्लेबाजों को।
Change of angle for the left-hander, and he's given. He thought about it, he had a long look, and then he decided that Yashdul was in front of the stumps. And Yashdul can't believe it. The crowd is obviously roaring. They know that Virat Kohli will walk out to bat. But first we'll have to wait and see if this is a legal delivery. And this is what we are talking about. That ball lipping back into the right-hander. Reaches Virat Kohli on his return to the Delhi lineup after 12 years at the Arun Jaitley Stadium in New Delhi. Familiar walk, and then very purposeful walk as well. Striding with great purpose and confidence as always. Confidence is something synonymous with Virat Kohli. Up against the left arm seamer Rahul Sharma, who has provided a breakthrough for Railways. All the cameras are in action in the stands. The crowd. No ball from the left arm seamer. No. Bat on ball, but straight to the fielder. 79 for 2 after.
Coming into him again, no ball again. There's a little extra effort on the part of the bowler. I'm fine with that. The effort that you need to get a player like Virat. Well, he seems off the mark is Virat Kohli. That will calm his nerves and calm 10,000 others. And no one can doubt that commitment year after year, match after match for the country. So everyone watching tag on his helmet. Well, oohs and ahs galore, but Virat Kohli survives, much to the delight of this huge crowd at the Arun Jaitley Stadium in the national events that have been made in the recent past. Can just be put to rest by the kind of achievements that we are showing at the Arun Jaitley Stadium. And what a gesture this. Just 2 others apart from Virat Kohli have played 100 test matches for India from Delhi. Virendra Sehwag.
ये स्ट्रोक में विश्वास दिखा है। इस स्ट्रोक में वो बात दिखी है जिसके लिए कोहली जाने जाते हैं। बॉल की पिच पे गए और करारा स्ट्रोक खेलते हुए तीर की माफी एकदम सीधा.
Just stamping his authority there is Virat Kohli. Just a little shimmy down the track and just bludgeoned that really. He gave it everything, and lucky for the bowler that he didn't get his foot on the ball. That would have been some damage to his shin. Very lucky there, the bowler, on that occasion. Virat Kohli now 6 of 14. Oh, he's gone! Big moment this. Virat Kohli is off stump. Knocked back. Sweet revenge this for Sangwan, and Delhi lose their third wicket. The crowd at the Arun Jaitley Stadium has absolutely gone silent.
जी हाँ, ये लम्हा सांगवान को हमेशा याद रहेगा. इससे पिछली गेंद पे चौका जरूर खाया था, पर इस गेंद को बैट और पैड के बीच में से उस गैप को निकालते हुए ऑफ स्टंप को इस तरीके से उड़ाते हुए विराट कोहली को पेविलियन भिजवाते हुए. जी हां, विराट कोहली पेविलियन लौटते हुए केवल 6 रन बना के दिल्ली मुश्किलों में.